chuck the front letters on now and get that matte black on there. So we're using the Bowden's Flash Prep to clean the letters off first. Then we'll use the little adhesion promoters that they give you in the packet, these little wipes. Chuck that on there and then get the matte black logos on there. So this Flash Prep's just like a wax and grease remover sort of thing. So we'll get them cleaned up. And it looks like the back of the letters just have the 3M adhesive just on the flat side. It's not coming out on the curves a little bit. So I mean, it's always good while it's off to clean all the edges before the letters go on, because you won't be able to clean them on afterwards. Alright, they're all cleaned up with the Flash Prep now. So now we'll get the letters on. So get your packet of wipe. What does it say on here? Clean the surface, tear packaging, pack, bag, pick up inside wet wipes, go through the surface, wait a few seconds, cover and press the tape on it. Gotta love Chinese words. Alright, so we'll give that a wipe with the adhesion promoter. Remember, just on the flat side really, because that's the only place where the tape is. You want to get it to have a good bond on the flat surface. That's drying pretty quickly. Alright, we'll grab our B, tear off the 3M tape. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory to put this on. Not so much self-explanatory to say the word, but I mean, it goes on there easy as a 3-year-old could get this on. Lines up really well. Get a good bond on there. And make sure you put some pressure all the way around it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the matte black, but it's all piano black around here, like a gloss black, so maybe these letters would have looked better in the gloss, but once you go matte, you never go back. And look at that. That looks awesome. All right, on to our next letter. The Y. In 2 pieces this one, but clean it up with the wipe. Get that good adhesion bond with it. So we'll do the little L looking thing first. That's drying really quick. I mean, it's pretty hard to get this wrong, it all lines up. I like how the plastics around the edge of the silver line up with it as well. Get a good bond on there. Now the second half of the Y. Last but not least, the big D. Get your wipe out. Give that a good coating on there. That's drying fairly quickly. That's already dry, all right. Get our letter, lining it up. Now whether it's, you know, those sticky hooks that you put on the wall or any other adhesion things you stick around the place, I always like to put, you know, a bit of pressure, hold the pressure on there for, you know, a good minute on each one, just to get that good adhesion to it and help it stick really well. So I'll go ahead and do that to each of them. But overall, I'm liking the look of that. Looks a lot better than the silver, I reckon. Pretty happy with how that turned out.